Jio has got a very vast network that's geographically spread all over the country. Every element of this network that is laid in the public domain has got a where component. So where is my tower, how am I going to lay my cables, and so on and so forth. So GIS is such a fundamental and important tool that nothing of this network could have been planned or engineered or constructed without it having been put first on the GIS platform. So for us, GIS is an absolute basic foundation for all our activities, right from planning of the network through engineering and construction. So it's absolutely vital for us. In addition to Jio, some of our business lines where the location is an important aspect, such as, for example, petroleum retail or the retail wing, the logistics teams, they have started using GIS platform in their operations for the last couple of years. Probably in the same business areas, but the number of applications, number of use cases, those will increase. That's what I see in next couple of years. I don't think there is a challenge in terms of technology from a policy perspective. The challenge is in terms of having the basic data available, and that challenge is from a policy perspective, because I don't think that our policy is all that amenable to creating map data easily and disseminating map data. Well, we can use map data that is hosted outside India, but it's presently that there are a lot of policy issues in you creating your own data and disseminating from within India. So, I think, I believe there are certain steps are being taken. I believe over a period of time these issues should get resolved. Uptake of technology, I can see that in the past 4 to 5 years has been pretty quick, because a whole lot of established GIS companies in the country have really upgraded themselves from purely data creating companies using just the digitization kind of software to solution providers. So I believe not only just a couple of names that you took, but there are several other companies who have done pretty well in absorbing this technology. So I think that's going to be the future direction. Not only just the established GIS companies in India that are there for last 5, 10, 15 years, but a lot of startups that will be coming.